Now we're going to look at the HDL logic module. The product code is HDL-MCLOG.431. The logic module is an intelligent device that allows you to program anything on the HDL system according to time, date, astrological clock, virtual inputs, physical inputs from other modules, status of scenes or light level information. We recommend to put a logic module into most projects, whether it's residential or commercial, because it will provide a lot of power to functions that you need. To program the logic module, we first double click on the module. We're presented with this screen. It is an empty screen which has 12 pages. The very first thing we recommend is to go to the system setting. Click on PC time to set your time from your PC and press save. This will set the time and the date into the logic module. If you would like the time and date broadcast onto the bus, that means that each DLP and Enviro panel and other devices will show the time. You can click broadcast time and press save. Next, you should set your geography location setting. Select your country, and for me, I will put United Kingdom, and your closest city, and press save. Now, if you refresh the page, you will see the sunrise and the sunset time are automatically shown. If you live in a country with a daylight saving time, select daylight saving. In Europe and in the UK, we have March of the last Sunday at 1 AM and the last Sunday in October at 1 AM. It is important to keep the time correct throughout the year. Once this has been done, we will create some logic. The first example is a simple timer to turn the light on and off at 2 different times. First, we can name the page. Let's call it light timer. Next, you have the option of OR and NAND and NOR table. Let's start with an OR table. Click the button, right click and go to pin setup. The pin setup refers to the 4 input pins. These are the 4 input conditions. For this simple example, we are only going to use 1 pin. It is selected on the left, and we are going to give this table a name, light on, and we are going to select the rule of time type. The time can be a specific time or many other options. For now, select time, and I will select 8 PM, which is 2000 hours. Press save. Now close. Now we have one block with one input, 8 PM, light on. The last thing is to program the command. I would like to turn the relay channel 1 on at 8 PM. So let's check the relay. The relay address 1 device 5. Right click on the logic, click add commands. Now we can program it just like we program a button. Subnet 1 device 5. Single channel control, channel, let's use number 1, intensity is 100. Press save. Let's check. It was number 5, that's correct. Okay. Now, at 8 PM, the light will go on. What about off? Let's create another table. Now you can make a shortcut. Right click, copy, and right click, paste. Right click, pin setup, and change the time to 7 AM. This one we'll call light off. Press save. Right click, add the command, subnet 1, device 5, single channel control, channel 1, intensity 0 for light off. Save. Now we have a timer, light on at 8 PM, light off at 7 AM. Let's check if the light is on already. It is already on. So let's simulate the time. Let's simulate that the time is 6:59 AM. First we want to save. Now we go to the system setting. Change the time, 6, 59 and 55 seconds. This will give us 5 seconds and then the light should turn off. Save. 4, 3, 2, 1. The light has turned off. Automatic. Let's simulate the light going on. We need to do 7:59 PM. 1900, 59 seconds, 59 minutes and 59 seconds. Save. 4, 3, 2, 1. Light goes on. That is a very basic demonstration. So what is the difference between OR and AND? Since these blocks only have one input, it doesn't matter whether it's an OR or an AND. If we add another input condition that could be true or false, if it is an OR, then only any of them has to be true for the output to happen. However, if you make it an AND, both of the conditions should be true for the output to happen. An example of this is to change this from everyday timer to only Monday to Friday. Let's do that now. Right click, pin setup, select number 2, rule, week type, between Monday to Friday, and save. The last thing, change it from an OR to an AND. Again, pin setup, number 2, week type, between Monday to Friday, and save. Change it to an AND. Now, these are ANDs, which means it must be true that it's Monday to Friday and 8 o'clock for this light to come on. Thank you very much, and we will now go on to another module.